Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a bonus video for you this week. It's going to be sweet and short. Originally, this hack I have seen done by Wayne Gus. I'm going to link his video where he has posted that, and I thought it's genius. I wanted to put it on practice. I forgot every time when I did a full face of makeup to do it so. But today I'm recording another video and I said that I can squeeze this hack in. What is this hack consists in? This concealer hack is to use your concealer, but instead of applying it normally, you are going to use a setting powder and dip the concealer in the setting powder. In his video, when Gus was using the Natasha Denona concealer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty concealer. He said that any concealer will work. Also, he was using, I think, the Too Faced powder, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to use the E.L.F one that is similar. So I'm going to grab or to squeeze a bit of a powder, and I have it here on the cap. Now, all you have to do is to take your concealer, don't clean the brush, and then run it on the powder. After you did so, apply it like you normally would. Okay, I think I used a little bit too much powder. This concealer is slightly lighter, but you see that immediately you get some brightness to your under eye area. I don't know exactly the reason, or if this is working with a translucent or with a white powder. I have seen he using a skin tone powder. That's why I use it, because I didn't want to alter the composition. Let me just grab another brush. Alright, moving to the other side. I think I'm just lightly going to tap it, you know, because I do not need that much powder. I also want to clean the spoolie. I don't want to put it like this inside. First, going to tap with the finger. I even don't see. And now, oh, you guys, that looks amazing. So what the powder does, it's thickening the concealer and it almost sets it. I think you can even go and not setting it, but Wayne has used a light dust of powder. Now, to do so, I'm going to use this pressed powder, just because I cannot find, again, I lost the one from Pat McGrath. I misplaced it, of course, I didn't lose it. And add. But for sure, I did not need so. Okay, alright, this is all you have to do to apply or to put in function the concealer hack. You need a liquid concealer, you need a powder, dip the concealer wand into the loose setting powder and applied it like you normally do. Then you can blend it. As you could see here, I even didn't need to use a sponge. So for sure, use a concealer brush, because it's much easier to go into the depths on your under eye area, because here it's a small space. I think it looks nice. I'm going to go with my makeup, apply everything, and then I'm going to show you what the under eye area looks, and also I'm going to show you what everything looks by the end of the day. I'm back and I have a good 2 hours since I've applied the concealer. Where are you? The Fenty Beauty concealer with the E.L.F Halo Glow powder. And let me zoom you in. Meanwhile, I have done a full face of makeup, recording another video. Let me tell you that I have some creasing underneath the eye, but it doesn't look bad. I am actually loving the way it looks. So right now, the way that it is looking, everything is set. So I don't foresee any other creasing as of now. Right now I think it looks really nice. I'm impressed about this. I wasn't believing that it's going to work. But yay, all for the great purpose of testing. So this is as of now. I'm going to come back at the end of the day and share with you how the under eye area looks. But I'm definitely happy as of now after 2 hours. Hi guys, I'm back and I wanted to show you what the under eye area looks after I've been using the concealer trick. So I have over 12 hours since I've applied this duo, the concealer and the powder, and I think I have just minimal creasing. Next time when I'm going to try this trick, for sure I'm going to use a translucent setting powder, the one that I usually use it for my under eye area, or I can skip the setting, because if you already have the powder mixed with the concealer and your under eye area it's more dry like it's mine, then for sure you don't need a double setting. But other than that, I think it looks wonderful, and for sure the tip, it really does work. Let me know what do you think about this trick and whether if you are going to put it to the test or not. If you are going to try it, please share that with me, and thank you again for watching and for supporting my channel. I'm going to see you really soon with another video. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye!